Think Solid, the solid surface solution for your DIY benchtop projects. Custom Think Solid Benchtops are made to measure and ready for installation. However, if you need to add a sink cutout, these are the tools you will need. Start by marking the sink location on your benchtop. Tape down the template and trace around it. Drill 4 holes on the edges of your template and clamp your jig in place. Cut the hole with a router. Sand inside the edge of your cutout for a smooth and clean finish. Before installing your benchtop, reinforce your front rail if your cabinets are 800mm or greater. Apply beads of silicone or Sikaflex to the cabinet rails. Install your benchtop into place and press down firmly. Peel back the film. It's quick and satisfying. Using double-sided tape on the sink flange helps hold the sink in place, whilst the Sikaflex adhesive cures. Apply Sikaflex onto your Undermount sink. Install the sink in place and secure firmly. Wipe away any excess Sikaflex. Allow everything to cure for 24 hours before use. Think Benchtops. DIY made easy.